This video tutorial I will explain how to sort the documents in ascending order or descending order using a sort method, and how to limit the number of documents returned using limit method. Here you can see the sample query how to use limit method. db.employee, employee is the collection name, then find method. The find method returns all the documents in employee collection, and then we have applied limit method, and it limits number of documents returned as 2. So only 2 documents will be returned. Here you can see employee DB, it has employee collection, and it has 3 documents. And here I am using the query which uses limit method, and limiting the records as 2. So it returns 2 records or 2 documents. Suppose if I put 1, we will get only 1 document. Here you can see the example of sort method. db.employee, employee is the collection name, then find method. Find method returns all the documents in employee collection. Then we are applying sort method. So what this sort method will do is, it sort the documents in descending order based on employee ID. -1 means descending order, 1 mean ascending order. We will see the example now. Now I am going to execute this query, and here we got the output, and you can see the documents are arranged in descending order based on employee ID. And if I want in ascending order based on employee ID, here put 1 instead of -1. Executing this query, and here you can see documents are arranged in ascending order based on employee ID. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.